Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Motorola Moto Edge mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, pull out the logic board frame by undoing 12 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, take out the main flex by disconnecting from both ends. Next, disconnect the Touch ID camera and 2 antenna heads from the charging port board. Next, undo the screw holding the board. Next, gently pull out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place a new charging port board on the body. Next, secure the screw, Touch ID camera plug and 2 antenna heads into the board. Next, place and connect the main flex. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 12 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or any double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.